Hello, my dear students. Hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I am Dr. Smruti and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students. If you believe in quality education, then you are in the right platform. As in Etuson, we provide quality education which will definitely help you to build your career. Then what are you waiting for? Please download the eTuition app and enroll yourself so that you can avail all the facilities at your fingertips. So children, without wasting much time, let us start today's class. As you can see, today we are going to solve problems from exercise 4.4. Hope you have watched all the videos related to quadratic equation, as this is the last exercise from chapter 4 of your NCERT book. So please watch all the videos related to quadratic equations so that all your concepts will be clear. So let us start today's class then. So this is your first question from exercise 4.4 of your NCERT book. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation if the real root exists. Find them. So you have 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So let us write down the equation, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So here you have a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. So as you know, the nature of the root is decided by the discriminant. And what is the discriminant here? So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So what is b square minus 4ac here? That is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 5. So it is 9 minus, you have 5 into 4, that is 20. 20 into 2, it is 40. So you have minus 31, which is less than 0. So as d is less than 0, so the equation have imaginary root. It cannot have real root. Correct or not? So you have imaginary roots of the equation. Now let us go to the second bit. So you have 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So let us write down 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So you have a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. So let us find out the discriminant here. So that is b square. B square is minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 into 3 into 4. So let us find out. So 4 root 3 square is 16 into 3, that is 48, minus 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 4 is again 48. So here it is equal to 0. So here d is equal to 0. If d is equal to 0, then you have what? Then you have equal roots. You have equal roots. And what is the value of that root? And the roots are given by, so roots are given by minus b divided by 2a in such case. So what will be your answer here? So that is minus of minus 4 root 3 divided by 2 into 3. Correct or not? So you will have 4 root 3 divided by 6. Okay, 4 root 3 divided by 6. So you will get 2 here and here you will get 3. So root 3. So your answer is 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Correct or not? Now let us go to the next problem, that is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so I have already done it. So let us go to the next problem. So that is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. Correct or not? So you have your discriminant as b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So that is equal to 36 minus 24. 36 minus 24, that is 12. So your D is greater than 12. So you will have, we have two real roots. You have two real roots. And what are those roots? So the roots will be given by what? The roots will be given by minus b plus or minus square root of d divided by 2a. So minus b, that is 6, plus or minus square root of 12 divided by 2 into 2. Okay, so this will be 6 plus or minus root 12 is nothing but equal to 2 root 3 divided by 2 into 2. So if you take 2 common, so you will get equal to, so your roots will be, so x will be equal to, so just divide it there. So you will be getting 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 2. 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 2. So either you can have 3 plus root 3 by 2 or 3 minus root 3 divided by 2. Correct or not? So now let us go to the next problem. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. So when they will have two equal roots, the condition for having two equal roots is discriminant value should be equal to 0. Now in this equation, what is the value of a? It is 2. What is the value of b? It is k. What is the value of c? It is 3. So if d is equal to 0, then in that case you should have b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So you have now k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. It implies your k square will be equal to how much? 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. So k square is equal to 24. It implies what is the value of k then? K is equal to square root of 24. K is equal to square root of 24. So that is nothing but equal to how much? You have square root of 24 as, so let us factorize it. So you will have 8 into 3, right? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 square root of that. So you will get how much? So you will get 2 root 6 plus or minus 2 root 6. So for this value of k, you will get the root of the equations equal to each other. Correct or not? So now let us go to the next question. So here first let us bring it to quadratic equation, which is not in quadratic equation now, standard form. So let us bring it to standard form. So just open up the bracket. So you'll have kx square minus you have 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. So now you have a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. So d is equal to 0 for equal roots, correct or not? So what is d? D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So it implies you have minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6 is equal to 0. So it implies you have 4k square minus 4k into 6 equal to 0. So if you take 4k common, okay, 4k common, it will be 4k can be cancelled, so you can just find out. So you have 4k square is equal to 24k, correct or not? So you have k is equal to, so k value uh, will be equal to 24 divided by 4, that is equal to 6. So for the value of k is equal to 6, the equation will have two equal roots. Can you see that? So now let us go to the next problem. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango group whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So here the possible to design a rectangular mango group whose length is twice its breadth. So uh, uh, let let the breadth, because breadth is the shorter one, so let the breadth of the rectangle be x. Then the length will be how much? So the length will be 2x, correct or not? So is it possible to design a rectangular mango group whose length is twice its breadth? So if your breadth is considered to be x, the length will be 2x, correct or not? So, and the area is 800 meters square. So what is the area? Area, if length and breadth is given, so area will be length into breadth. Area is equal to length into breadth, that is x into 2x, that is 2x square. So now what is the value of 2x square? 2x square is equal to 800. So that means your x square is equal to 400. So what is the value of x? X is square root of 400, that is plus or minus 20. So x is equal to plus or minus 20. So here negative value will be rejected. So what is the possible value of x? X is equal to 20 meter. Okay, x is equal to 20 meter. And what is the x we have considered? It is the breadth of the rectangle. It is breadth of the rectangle. So what will be the length of the rectangle then? It is twice of breadth, correct or not? So the length of rectangle is equal to 2x, which is equal to 2 into 20, that is 40 meters. So you have your length of the mango group as 40 meter and breadth of the mango group as 20 meter. Correct or not? Okay. So now let us go to the next question. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. So here, let the age of one friend be age of one friend be x. Then what will be the age of other friend? Then the age of other friend will be, the age of other friend will be how much? 20 minus x. Correct or not? Because it is given that the sum of the ages of two friends is 20. Now, 4 years ago, the product of their age in years was 48. So, 4 years ago, what will be age of first friend? It will be x minus 4. What will be the age of the second friend? It will be 20 minus x minus 4. So now this product is equal to 48. So now let us simplify it. So you have x minus 4 here, and here you have 16 minus x equal to 48. Now just let us multiply it. So you have 16x minus 4 into 16, that is 64. Then okay, so you have multiplied with 16. Now let us multiply with minus x. So you have minus x square and you have plus 4x. Okay, so you have plus 4x is equal to 48. So you will have your minus x square plus 20x minus 64 is equal to 48. Correct or not? So you will have, if you take all the variables to the right hand side, so you will get x square minus 20x, x square minus 20x plus 64 plus 48 is equal to 0. Correct or not? So you will get x square minus 20x plus, so you have here how much? You have 112 is equal to 0. Correct? So now you can find out the value, right? So here only we have to find out, as we don't have space over there. So your x will be equal to minus b, that is 20, plus or minus b square. B square is 20 square minus 4 into 1 into 112 divided by 2 into a is 1, right? So you'll have 20 plus or minus square root of 20 square. So 400 minus 4 into 112. So you have here 400, already it is more than 400. So let us just check it. So you have 4 into 448 you have, so it will be negative. So it is 20 plus or minus square root of minus 48. So the answer is imaginary. Answer is imaginary. So the following situation is not possible. Following situation is not possible. As your D is less than 0. D is minus 48, that is minus 48 is less than 0. So the situation is not possible. Let us write. So not possible. Correct. So now let us go to the last problem. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. So let the uh, length be x and breadth be y. Okay. So you have 2 into x plus y is equal to 80 meters. So it implies you have x plus y is equal to 40. And what is the value of y? Y is equal to 40 minus x. Okay. So now according to the question, the area is given to be 400. What is area? Area is equal to length into breadth. Area is equal to length into breadth, right? So what is your length you have considered? It is x. So x into y. So now in place of x you can put 40 minus x, correct or not? So x into 40 minus x is equal to 400. So it implies 40x minus x square is equal to 400. It implies x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. Correct or not? So now let us go to the next slide. So you have now a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 40 and c is equal to 400. Right? A is equal to 1, b equal to minus 40. Let us check it. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 40 and C is equal to 400. So let us find out the D here. So D is equal to B square minus 4AC. So minus 40 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 400. So you have here how much? Minus 40 square. Minus 40 square is how much? It is 1600. Here also you are getting 1600. Correct or not? So that is equal to 0. So here D is equal to 0. So we will have equal roots. We will have equal roots and it is given by minus b divided by 2a, which is nothing but equal to 40 divided by 2, that is 20. So both your length and breadth of the rectangle will be equal to length and breadth of rectangle will be equal to 20 meter. Right children? Hope you have understood. Thank you so much for your patient hearing. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to download the Etuson app. Follow us in Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Keep practicing. Thank you so much. Take care.